next and no charging, so that's why I can waiting. Some disturbance. Here it is that what also angle of 3 and alternative interior angles. 3 equal to angle of 3 angle of equal to the angle of 5, both are the equal, and angle of 4 and angle of 6 is also both are the interior alternative interior angles are equal. And next one is the 3 angle of 3 and angle of 4 is the adjacent angles. Both 2 is the angle of 3 and angle of 4 is the adjacent angles. So that's why the adjacent angles, both 2 adjacent angles equal to the 180 degrees. So that's why that is also 180 degrees. And angle of 4 and here it is the angle of 5. Inside of the interior, same side and the transversal, so same side of the transversal. So that's why the 4 and 5 is also 180 degrees. Okay, Gagan sign neatly. And similarly 3 angle of 6 is also 180 degrees. These are also is the same side of the corresponding angles. These are is also that is also 180 degrees. And if it's a words are transversal of, then the each pair of the alternative interior angles are equal. Okay, you can understand alternative interior angles are all are the equal only. Next one is the another condition is the another example of condition. If you say draw the two lines, parallel lines L and M, and one is the transversal of another P line, and that is also here it is also 20 degrees, and here it is also 20 degrees. This is also 60 degrees only. Okay, this is the another condition is the if a pair of parallel lines intersected by the transversal line, then the angles in each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary. Okay, supplementary, and if it is the outside of that exterior angle, and this is also both are that opposite of that exterior angles are both are the equal only. Okay, Gagan sign neatly. If it's here it is the 2x is also 20 degrees only. This also 20 degrees. If it say this is also 20 degrees. Why? Because your pair of the interior angles are and that the same side of the interior angles are equal only. So that's why this is also this is also same, and this is also same, and this is also same, and this is also same. You can understood of this one, Gagan sign neatly. Alternative interior of that angles are same side of that transversals are supplementary. Supplementary means is the two sum of the angles are equal to the 180 degrees. Both are the angles are equal to 180 degrees. So that is also same only. And here it is also one more another condition, and that is also there are when a transversal intersecting two lines and pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are is also parallel. Okay, I wear this like only and draw the lines, and here it is also one more line corresponding the transversal of another line. So that's why here it is also when transversal intersecting two lines a pair of corresponding angles. Okay, interior and exterior of that angles are called as the corresponding angles. So that's why all R is also equal. So that's why corresponding also equals. Then the lines is also parallel. What's are it here? It is the corresponding angles of one pair is a 3. Here it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what's are the one pair is a 3 and 5. Okay, Gagan sign neatly. And 1, 5. 1, 5. And here it is the 2, 6. 1, 5, 2, 6. And 3, 7 and 4, 8. Okay, Gagan sign neatly. 1 equal to 1 is the 1 equal to 1. Angle of 1 equal to angle of 5, and angle of 2 equal to angle of 6. And angle of 4 equal to angle of 8, and angle of 3 equal to angle of 7. Okay, these all are the corresponding angles. These all are the corresponding angles are equal. So that's why lines is also parallel. Okay, Gagan, say neatly. Then the lines is also all are the parallel. And next one is also, and if the pair of lines are intersected by transversals, and then the alternative interior angles is also are all equal, then the lines is also parallel. So that's why you can, what are the alternative interior angles? Alternative interior angles, what are here? It is Gagan sign neatly 3, 6. It is a corresponding angles are equal 3, 5, and from figure here it is also 3, 6. 3, 6 is the one pair. Alternative interior angles 3 plus 6, and this is also inside of that all are the angle of 3 and angle of 6 is also 180 degrees. Okay, Gagan side. And here it is also our angle of 4 and angle of 5. Okay, 3, 6 and interior of that alternative interior angles are equal. So that's why you can use also lines is also parallel. Okay, this is the one pair of this one. Gagan, so I neatly understood. The next condition is the, what's the condition? Next condition, this is the one pair of that interior angles into alternative pairs of the interior angles of the same side of that transversal. Same side of the transversal is that 3, 6 transversal, and this is also another transversal is the 4, 5. These all are is also equal. So that's why the lines is also equal. Neatly understood, Gagan side. Next one more condition here it is, and this C and D, and here it is the A point, and here it is also B point, and this is also 30 degrees, and this is also 30 degrees. What is the, if a pair of lines intersected by the transversal and the interior angles on the same side of the transversals are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. And AB is parallel to CD. Is it correct? AB is parallel to CD. Yeah, is it correct only? So that's why you can is the, what's are two angles are marked off. This is the 30 degrees. If it's angle of B is also 30 degrees also, this is also same angle of C is also 30 degrees. Why? Because these lines two are the AB equal to AB parallel to CD. So that's why you can, this angle B equal to 30, if its angle C is also 30 degrees. Why? Because your both angles are the parallel only. You can understand Gagan sir neatly? Yeah, the 180 degrees. Supplementary means is the 180 degrees. So these are you can understood of this Gagan sir neatly. From figure you can understood Gagan sir neatly. Yeah, next is the, you can all are the, it's over of the theory part Gagan sir. Today next we will continue that the exercise 7 problems. Today we will learn the exercise 7 problems. Yeah, next one is also notes is I give the notes Gagan sir neatly. Yeah, this is that transversal notes here. It is that 4.2 transversal notes, and figure drawing figures and definitions is also you can write down here. It is neatly. Yeah, once you read the definitions, and here it is also some alternative one by one angles made by transversal, corresponding angles, interior and exterior angles, and transversal interior and parallel lines. And next is the today we are next continue that the exercise 7 all problems and solutions, and page number is the 86. Okay. Yeah, first problem. Telangana state book. Yeah, first exercise page number is the 86, and fill in the blanks. Where other pen doesn't say? Yeah, continue the Exercise 7, all problems and solutions, and page number is the 86 in Telangana State Book. Yeah, first problem. First bit and fill in the blanks. First bit. The line which intersects, you can understood of these all Gagan side neatly understood. Yes. All are conditions of that. Very important here. It is that mark brackets. These all are once you read and practice Gagan side. If a pair of lines are intersected by transversal and interior angles on the same side of the transversal and supplementary, then the lines are parallel on condition. And here it is also, if a pair of lines are intersected by transversal and your alternative interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Pick the textbook, you can read it once. These are our conditions. And when a transversal intersects two lines and the pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are all are parallel. And next here it is also, if a pair of parallel lines are intersected by the transversal, then the angles in each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are all are supplementary. And here it is that another one. If a pair of parallel lines are intersected by the transversal, then the angles in each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Okay, these all are is the very important conditions. You can once you are read and remembering in your mind. Okay, yeah. Next one is, let's start the exercise 7, and first one is the fill in the blanks. First one, the lines which intersects two or more lines at a distinct point is called dash. Just today class is finishing this one definition. What's the line? Two or more lines intersecting with
dash.
One line. What's that one? Just before transversal.
Transversal.
What's the definition?
Transversal.
Two or more, you can already finish it there. Two just like only. Okay, that is the transversal. First bit is the transversal, and this is also there in our this like only. Okay, two or more lines are intersecting with the transversal there. So that's why this is the today topic is the transversal. First one is the transversal. Okay, yeah. Next one is the second bit. If the pair of alternative interior angles are equal, then the lines are all are alternative interior angles. If the pair of alternating, if those are the conditions or all are the conditions, so they are all. So that's why interior angles, alternative interior angles is also equal, and if the lines is also parallel, alternative angles are equal. Okay, 1,7, 2,8 is the alternative angles. So that's why these all are the lines are is also parallel. If it's parallel, if it's all are in case if it's all are the alternative interior angles is also equal. Otherwise, but there is a not equal. So that's why the words are in our pair of the alternative interior angles are equal, then the lines all are parallel. These all are the conditions. So conditions there. So that is also the sum of third one. The sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, then the lines are dash. That is also interior angles on the same side. That is also one more conditions, and these all are is also lines are parallel only. Okay. That is also textbook is there in all of the definitions, and are already finishing there in that the examples is also all are the supplementary lines. If it's all are the parallel lines only. So that's why this is the also parallel. All are conditions of conditions with the examples is also finishing there. So that's why this is the parallel. And next one is the fourth one. If two lines intersecting each other, then the number of common points they have. Two lines intersecting with each other. two lines. For examples of suppose there here it is the two lines are there intersecting with the points. How many points are there? Only if it's a AB point, A and B is the line, so that's why it is intersecting with the N only. So that's why is the point of only one point only. Okay, Gagans, I neatly understood. This is the only one. Next one is the second bit only. Textbook is also explaining here it is, and here it is second one. Gagans, in the adjacent figure the lines L and M are parallel and N is transversal. Fill in the blanks for all the situation given below. Okay, Gagans, I neatly. Yeah, first bit. If one is 80 degrees, then two adjacent angles. Here both are the adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, two sum of the two adjacent angles equal to the 180 degrees. Okay, sum of the two adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. One angle here it is the 80 degrees. Other remaining other angle is the 100 degrees. Okay, 100 plus 80 degrees equal to the 180 degrees. So that's why you can here it is the 100 degrees only. You can understand, Gagans, I neatly, or here it is also given already draw in our notebook is also there. Yeah, this one is also one this is the 80 degrees. If the adjacent angles is also, both are the angles equal to the adjacent angles are equal to the 180 degrees. This side is also adjacent angles are both are equal to the 180 degrees. So that's why this is the 80 degrees, and the remaining angle is the 100 degrees. Okay, and next one, this one, second bit, textbook. If angle of 3 equal to 45 degrees, then angle of 7 equal to angle of 3 equal to 45 degrees. This is the 45 degrees, and angle of 7. Angle of 7 means is the this like the interior of alternative angles, opposite angles. Okay, opposite angles are equal to the 45 degrees. If opposite of another angle is also same only. Okay, Gagans, I neatly. So this is the angle